Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're planning a small team check-in or a large departmental meeting, setting up your meeting link is super simple and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign into Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening the Teams application on your computer or visiting the Teams website. Once you're there, click the Sign In button. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to register. You'll get access to all the awesome features Teams has to offer. Once you're inside Teams, head over to the Calendar section. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Calendar gives you a full view of your scheduled tasks and meetings. Think of it as your digital planner, perfect for keeping everything organized. Next, it's time to pick the date and time for your meeting. Just click on the date and time slot that works best for you and your participants. This opens up the meeting scheduling window where you can set the details. Now, give your meeting a title. Keep it clear and concise so participants immediately know what the meeting is about. Something like Weekly Team Sync or Project Kickoff works great. Before sending out invitations, you'll want to manage your participant list. Click on People to add attendees. You can select team members from your organization or invite external guests by entering their email addresses. If it's a larger group or an open meeting, you can also choose Everyone, which makes the meeting accessible to all within your organization or defined groups. This is especially handy for webinars or meetings with multiple stakeholders. After everything looks good, hit Save to store all your details securely. Finally, it's time to share your meeting link. Go back to your calendar, click on the meeting you just created, and select the option to copy the meeting link. You can then share this link via email, chat, or any communication platform you prefer. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared a meeting in Microsoft Teams. It's a simple and effective way to stay organized and collaborate seamlessly with your team. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this guide helps you set up your meetings quickly and easily. See you in the next video.